I'm gonna go over the solar panel and roof rack install in this video. I bought 4 175 watt solar panels. They are monocrystalline rigid panels. And then I had a custom roof rack made of aluminum that was welded together, and then I got it powder coated like a teal bluish. My van already had those tracks down the side of the top of the van, so I bought specific parts from a Sprinter store, which is just like a plate, a carriage bolt, nut and washer. The problem is the carriage bolts were not long enough, so I had to go buy different lengths ones of those, and the washers were not stainless steel, so that's a little annoying, but it worked out pretty good. Can we get breakfast delivered? I'm gonna eat my arm off. No, I will in a little bit. Who now, what now?
I was gonna say I like how on this side it didn't stick, but...
Why does this look like... Oh god, this is water. I thought my ceiling was deformed. I about had a heart attack. Like, what did they do when they fixed it? God. Just tighten it down from here. That's nice. So no holes are being put in the ceiling.
No holes in the van.
Hell yeah. I'm really short, Jeff.
Easy.
That was scary. What are you gonna do now?
I'm gonna put it down there.
You need me over there?
Nope.
That could have been really bad. I could have broke my window.
Now, go ahead and pick that corner up. Right there.
It's a little crooked.
Yeah, so we'll have to move the ones you can reach, move them just like inboard so they don't touch anything, because the rack can only go one place. Oh, this opens, right?
Uh-huh.
Go ahead and go down there and open it all the way.
Is it opening?
Oh, it opens up the other way. Okay, yeah.
Keep it open?
Yeah. Actually, put it down a little bit. Down, 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 down. Right there.
We need you full of grace today.
Yeah, let's fucking do that.
Don't fall through my bed.
Don't break my roof.
It caves in when I walk on it.
All right, now I gotta get down.
Jeff told me to buy paper towels. I bought toilet paper instead on accident. We're not winning today. Yeah, the magnetic ones are great. And where are you cutting the hole in the van?
I'm gonna drill it up from the bottom so it's in a good spot to run inside. And then just wherever it is should work. There's a small box down there, a little cardboard box about this big.
With the little...
It's got a white shark tooth shaped thing in it, 2 nuts on it.
Shark tooth with nuts on it. That's what I'll go with.
Shark bait.
Beautiful. Okay, here comes my finger. Yeah, it looks good. Tight seal, tight seal. You know, it wasn't too bad. I'm glad I got a nice squat. I'm just talking to myself. I'll just be here. So we're gonna tilt it.
So hold your end.
I can't see over there. Okay.
I'm gonna lift this out.
I was like, I can't back up anymore. I'm gonna fall off. Sorry. So now, what's on that?
The hard part's gonna be the wiring. I'm gonna have to do it on the outside.
I'll just hold it.
This is gonna be the work.
Well, I can hold it. I can hold it like up, like tilt it down pretty far so it reaches everything. We gotta take the tape off, huh? Before we.
I think we'll be able to get the tape. Like if we lay this flat right now, we'll be able to get the tape off one piece at a time.
Yeah, if you want to do it that way,
Okay.
it won't be too hard for me to like not touch the tape. Let me You got this.
So let's just set it down. I'll wire it up, and maybe we'll tilt it this way and take the tape off.
Okay, hold that real quick.
I got it. So just hold this from falling over real quick.
I'm just gonna touch this and rewipe it. Gotta have to.
This is a service loop in case we have to do anything. I left my knife down there.
Jesus Christ, I didn't really. I'm alright. Alright, I just gotta get my fingers out.
Go ahead, set it down, leave it down. There you go.
Can we come over there and hold that up?
I got it.
Okay.